Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to set up recurring investments in Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, a great way to automate your investing and build wealth over time with minimal effort. What are Schwab Intelligent Portfolios? Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is a robo-advisory service that builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you. By setting up recurring investments, you can regularly contribute to your portfolio and stay on track with your financial goals. How to set up recurring investments. 1. Log into your account. Head to the Schwab website or mobile app and sign in to your Schwab Intelligent Portfolios account. 2. Access funding options. Navigate to the funding or transfer section, where you can manage deposits and withdrawals for your account. 3. Set up a recurring deposit. Choose Recurring Transfer or a similar option. Select the bank account you want to link for transfers or add a new one if needed. Enter the amount you'd like to invest regularly and set your frequency, e.g. weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. 4. Confirm your preferences. Review the details, including the transfer amount, schedule, and linked account. Once everything looks good, confirm your setup. 5. Monitor your investments. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios will automatically invest your recurring deposits based on your portfolio's target allocation. Check back periodically to review performance and ensure your goals are on track. Why automate your investments? Recurring investments help you stay consistent, take advantage of dollar-cost averaging, and remove the stress of timing the market. It's a simple, hands-off way to grow your portfolio over time. Have you tried Schwab Intelligent Portfolios? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next one.